Hi, this is Ben Parojcic with ReMax, and welcome to your Real Estate Market Minute. Well, today I wanted to answer the question, should I accept FHA financing on my home sale? And I had this question from a client just last week, and I thought it was a very good question. They were worried because their house was very dated. And they thought, well, maybe our home can't go FHA, but actually it can go FHA. FHA doesn't really care about a dated house. The things that they care about are that it has a good roof, that it has working furnace, that there's an updated electrical box, that there are GFI plugs within 6 feet of water, that the concrete is not heaved, that the walls and ceilings are intact, can't be any holes or large missing pieces of drywall. Um, and these things are fairly easy to fix in most cases. So I think FHA should be welcomed because if you do get an FHA offer, these items that I rattled off, in most cases, aren't big fixes. Um, and then the other reason is you want to invite as many buyers as you can in your house because it really creates that buzz. It creates that auction-like atmosphere that tends to drive prices up. So you might get an offer from an FHA buyer, but you also might get an offer from a conventional buyer around the same time. So then what we can do is use the FHA offer to leverage up the conventional offer and get a higher price for you. And then you don't even have to take the FHA offer. But the fact is, you had the FHA offer there, you had the FHA buyers there, and it increased the amount of showings, it increased the amount of offers, and it increased the dollar value of the offer. And so for all those reasons, you definitely should have FHA buyers in the mix. And that's your real estate market in a minute. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.